Okay, so here's the problem. The umbrella has torn. Actually, it's the umbrella canopy that is torn. So we're just going to place the canopy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the top of the umbrella off. If you can see this little button here, I'm going to push that in and then lift. Okay, and now it's off. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is take this cap off right here. And once I get the cap off, then the whole canopy should be able to come off. Get off. Pull this over. Okay, now, there we go. And so this part right here is what we're going to hang the new canopy on. So this is the new canopy we're going to put on. We bought it at Cost Plus World Market. A little expensive. My wife liked it, so that's what we're going to do. So I was under the impression that I could use this old pole and put the new canopy on top, but here's the problem. Look at it. Here's the top of the new canopy. All it has is that little ring. Okay, that ring is not going to go on top of that pole. So I had to go back down to Cost Plus, buy me a brand new pole. Apparently there's no standardization in canopies and poles, so I'm going to put a whole brand new pole together and then put the canopy on top of that. Okay, so I opened the box and basically here's what we got. This is called a finial or something. It's the top part, and this is a pole, middle pole, and then this part here is where I'm going to put the canopy on, and that's about it. So I'll put it together now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this is the umbrella frame that the umbrella is going to go on, and I'm just going to put this right here, and you're going to take this canopy here, right, and open it up and put it right over the frame, just like so. Just put it over the frame. I'm gonna find the top here. See that? See that? Just lined up with the hole here. It's all on there now. You can see that. And so I'm going to go on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to insert each rib of the umbrella frame, these things are called ribs, into the fabric pocket. Here's a fabric pocket, and just stick that right in there. Okay, I got this laying down on the table because it's a lot easier for me to do. And then I'm just going to go around and look for each one. Here's the next one. And I'm going to put in right there. Okay, so I'm going to do them all, and then that will be step 2. Okay, so now I've got all 8 of the ribs are into the fabric pockets. So now we'll go to the next step. Okay, we'll take this finial, it's called, and see that hole right there? It's perfectly lined up. We'll just screw it right on there, and that'll hold the canopy in place. Don't over tighten. That's as good as I'm going to go right now. And then go to the next step. Okay, now we're going to take this pole right here and we're going to thread it right into this end here of the umbrella frame. I'm going to thread it till all the threads go up to the base there. So it's nice and snug, but we're not going to over tighten it. Okay, it's nice and snug. Now on to the next step. Okay, now the next step is to put the pole into the base unit. And the base unit is the only thing left over from the old umbrella. That's the old base unit that it fit into. Okay, so there it is. And now we're going to open it up and see how it looks. Okay, and so there's the new umbrella with the new canopy, and it's a successful assembly. Thank you for watching.